Good morning, students. Last 2 days we have practiced language. Now we'll start literature. You have done two pieces of one prose and one poetry from your main book Hornbill. Now today we'll go through the first story in the snapshot. The first story in your snapshot, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Sarwan. Yeah, the surname Sarwan is known to some of you who love cricket. There was a famous West Indian cricketer who also has Indian origin, Ram Naresh Sarwan. Now, who is William Sarwan? William Sarwan is an American writer who was born in the year 1908, the last day of August, that is 31st August. Sarwan, he is a natural writer, not a scholar writer. When Sarwan was quite young, his father died. They were two brothers and two sisters, and they spent some part of their lives at an orphanage, as it was their subsistence of living. His mother worked menial work in nearby areas. Later, when they went to Fresno, an Armenian area, under the guidance of Lucy. Lucy was his grandmother, who was also widow. The family reunited. Now William had to do many sorts of works for subsistence of living. Sometimes, actually what happened, when he was 12 years old, he used to go to the public library one day, where he happened to get a book by Guy de Maupassant. He went through a story, The Bell, and that story of Maupassant touched him very much. And from then on, he nurtured a secret wish to be a writer. In time of depression, Great Depression in the 30s in America, he had to sell vegetables in Saturday market. He did many works, many menial jobs he did. While he was a student, he used to vendor the daily newspapers. He didn't consider any work small, so he worked consistently. He has many books, and interestingly one thing, in 1940 he got the Pulitzer Award, and in 1943 he got the Best Screenplay Award for being an author of the film The Human Being, the human comedy. Now, what happened when he wrote the script for the film, he was rejected. But later, for this film, he got the award.